Hey guys, welcome to Posh Wash Mobile Car Detailing. This is our brand new fully appointed vehicle that is included in the price of our franchise system. We aren't just a bucket and sponge cleaning operation. We're a professional organisation that covers a wide range of services. We have a whole range of fantastic equipment that's included that we use to do the specialty cleans, and that creates a professional environment that gets a very effective job done. Ranging from a high pressure cleaning, pressure washer, extraction units, steam cleaners, you name it, we've got it. All of that is included in the price, and you are trained in all of this equipment to be able to facilitate it. So this is where it all happens. Posh Wash vehicles are fully equipped. We've got our fantastic 300 litre water tank. We've got our generator, all of the bits and pieces that you would possibly need to be able to do all of our services, ranging from our car wash right through to ceramic coating. We train you in how to use all the equipment in our systems, in our processes. We teach you how to use all of the extractions, the vacuums, the steamers, the pressure washers, the polishers. Come around the back and I'll show you from the other side. Great, so you can see the back of the vehicle. We've got our pressure washer and hose reel. Now this is the key to our success. This pressure washer gets rid of all the dirt and the grime on the outside of the vehicle when we start the job. Obviously, we've got all of our equipment and cleaning products. We can work out of the back of the vehicle. We can work out of the sides of the vehicle. So there's no job we can't get access to. There's no job we can't do. I hope you enjoyed it. Gives you a taste of what we offer. If you're interested, please visit our website, poshwashmobile.com.au, to find out more. Thank you.